Welcome to the case analysis of delivering multiple sites and time zone projects. We are going to talk about several topics including the environment, the key problems, the changes and solutions, assessment, recommendations, and what should happen next in terms of the company Alcatel-Lucent Ethereum wireless call server. We are the group number 5, which is composed of Vanessa Rivera, Jesus Rivera, Natalie Rodriguez and Jezreel Rodriguez. Let's start with the first topic, which is the environment. The environment can be affected by several reasons. One of these reasons may be the weather. For example, in Russia the low temperatures can affect communication networks and may affect the work. Another may be the religion. In the case of India, that at certain times they have to take a break so that employees can perform their prayers or other cults. Or just in the case that in the same office they have employees from different countries in which their cultures are different and make them need certain accommodations. Which reflects what we are explaining, that building one team involving 5 sides to deliver multiple projects is not easy because of the diversity of cultures. And this is the reason that a significant number of outsourced projects fail because of complexities associated with cultural differences, multiple sites, and time zones. Now, we have the case Alcatel-Lucent Ethereum wireless call server, or by its initials WCS. How their management team delivered multiple sites and time projects. We will present some challenges or issues that they have confronted because of the culture differences, and how did they solve them. But before talking about the challenges, we need to know about the key problems. In this case there are 4 key problems. The first one is that they have to integrate teams from 5 different time zones. The second one is that individual sides tried to take care of their local interests first, resulting in some inter-site politics. The third one is that because of their work with different areas the cultural differences cause major challenges. And finally, the communication links multiplied and cross-site dependencies increased. In order to deal with some problems, they have to make some changes and found some solutions. The first problem was the growing teams in India, China, France and Russia that requires specific domain and complex technology experience. They managed this challenge by hiring a mix of experienced members and new graduates and leveraging the existing team members who had experience in WCs to train the new team members. To make it successfully they use a strategy bottom-heavy, by hiring a high number of new graduates to work with them. Continuing with changes and solutions. Another problem was the confusion over responsibilities, the lack of authority, and technical knowledge to challenge the local project managers and site teams. They handled it by taking positive steps to develop teamwork, implementing the training program, and arranging travels for project managers to the sites to resolve problems, because at times, local managers did not share all the issues. Instead the managers preferred to address them locally. By taking this decision, many times the project was already impacted and there was no room to take corrective actions by the time the overall project manager was informed. Another problem was the communication. The usage of email is the main communication mechanism among these sites, but with the different cultures, writing styles and language background make more complicated to communicate effectively. To solve this, they improved the communication with various approaches that includes daily conference calls, instant messages, net meeting and collaboration sites. Now, we are going to talk about the assessment. As a group, we understand that they did not had a good beginning, which is why they confronted several issues at the beginning. But, We understand that they had already worked with all the major key problems, which make them able to move forward, and work successfully. Which makes us decide that in our recommendations, we recommend that in this case they should expand to other areas and to other countries, so that they can keep growing as a global company. And what should happen next is that the company Alcatel-Lucent Atrium wireless call server, they should keep repeating all the processes that has made them successful in this kind of projects in different sites and time zones, and continuing with research to keep improving the environment of their sites. And finally, we would like to thank you all for your attention. This was the analysis of the case Alcatel-Lucent Wireless Call Server Atrium from Group Number 5 from Operation and Supply Management Class GOP 4315 Section 001. Until next time.